Alright, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to complete the average, which is step 20 of your Greater Winter Revenue and Grader project. Because this comes from chapter 10, we did not do databases, which is chapter 10. Alright, so right here they ask us to create a D average to figure out what is the average revenue for lessons. So I put D average. The database is, where is your database? What is your table? So I will go ahead and highlight the entire table, including the headers. That's very important that you also get the headers, so highlight the entire table. Then what is your field? Your field is, remember field names, those are these month, ski, area, item. These are your fields or your columns. So which column do you want them to average? Well, that would be the amount. Your criteria, this is a little tricky, and this is why they actually gave you the criteria. For D average, only for databases, you need the field and the criteria. So we need the field category, and we want to say we just want the lessons. Okay, close that up, and that's our average. How do we check that amount? We could insert a quick pivot table. So pivot table would have actually been a lot faster for this, and we could have said, okay, so what we want category, and we want amount, and we want to know the average. So we should get an average of 1,500. So we look at lessons, average 1,500, very nice. We're gonna do the same thing for total revenue, D sum. Again, we highlight the entire database. For field, what do we want to add? That would be the amount. And for criteria, we want lessons as our criteria. Close it up, and I can change this to the sum, and for lessons I should have 83,000. Very good. And that is how to check your work. I'll just delete this real quick since we don't want that actually graded. And that is how to complete step 20, or at least most of step 20. I think you still need to do some formatting, but that's basically it. Hopefully that was helpful.